with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. It is my philosophy on life, on decorating, on prioritizing, and all the things. You can get it on Amazon. It's a quick, easy read. I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I help her to get dressed with confidence, get rid of the frustration, the angst, and the stress about getting dressed in the morning. That is what I do. And it is so much fun. It is a work that fuels and feeds my very heart. I love it so much. So I saw an advertisement yesterday. It had Jennifer Aniston in it, and it basically said, when you're over 40 and you're tired of getting dressed, do this. And basically she was wearing a black t-shirt, a black pair of pants. Of course, she looked fantastic. And then this morning, I was getting ready. I just recently added this little boudoir in my bathroom, and so I was sitting there getting dressed, or not getting dressed, but doing my facial skincare regimen and just enjoying the process so much that I didn't want to get dressed. It was so funny. However, because I took so long just taking care of my skin and putting on some makeup, I ran out of a little bit of time to get dressed. So then the thought came to my mind, when you're tired of getting dressed, what do you put on? So very quickly I put on this dress. This dress has become a go-to type of dress. Very, very classic. It has pockets. I get so many compliments on it. The color is fantastic. The shape is great. And then I just mix and match all the accessories. And it's super cute with my pink shoes. So I say all that to say, if you sometimes, which no doubt you do, are tired of getting dressed, what is your go-to outfit? Do you have something in your wardrobe that you can always grab, either when you're in a rush or when you just need to get dressed quickly, or when you're tired of getting dressed? You'd rather be sitting in your boudoir putting on more makeup. I challenge you to find what that is in your wardrobe and have it always ready so that you can always just get dressed and feel confident all throughout the day, and even if you're tired of getting dressed. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. As I mentioned, I'm a closet coach. What that means is I work with you one-on-one with life coaching. We find out where you are, where you want to be, and then basically I build this container in order for you to finally cross your closet off your list. You can find out more about it at HeidiGammill.com. And you could leave a message and we could figure out when we can talk about it anytime. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Go to your closet and find your go-to and have it ready. Have a great evening. Bye.